As the sun rises, thousands of fresh potatoes are carefully loaded into transport trucks, beginning their journey from farm to table. Clovers. Utilizing advanced rotating cutting systems, the factory achieves millimeter-level precision. Thousands of high-speed cameras and laser scanners analyze color and shape, ejecting any defective products instantly. As the golden chips cascade into the rotating drum, a fine cloud of seasoning powder ensures every chip is perfectly coated for maximum flavor. Immediately after filling, food-grade nitrogen is injected, creating a protective cushion. Synchronized heat-sealing jaws then lock in the crispness. The distinctive light green sour cream and onion bags are precisely filled and nitrogen-flushed for freshness before moving to the high-speed conveyors.
We're seeing a slight weight discrepancy on line 3.
Let me adjust the feeder mechanism now.